Here I am, Lord. My life is in your hands. Take and use me. I am your instrument. It is your love that keeps me through the day. And your peace won't let me go astray. I can say,
I don't know where I'd be without you leading me.
I'm your child, Lord. I humble myself to you. For without you, there's nothing I can do. Now I know when troubles come my way, it is your strength that keeps me come what may. Every day
Keep me in perfect peace. My mind is stayed on me.
I thank you for all that I am, for giving me courage to stand. And when I am weak, you hold my hand to tell me that I really care. I praise you for all that you are. I would have made it this far, so I want to take time to say that I really love you. I'm your child, Lord. I humble myself